everybody. Sal here with Simply Investing, back at it again. We're here to talk about Ravencoin, but before we get into that, we're going to talk quickly about our channel. We have a live every morning, Monday morning market news. We have what's in your portfolio on Sunday, and of course, we do an evening stream Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. And of course, Thursday evening stream, Patreons only. And you get access by going to the Patreon link in the description and giving us a subscription. Really appreciate the support. Hopefully we can keep growing the channel and start offering some jobs to people, as I can only take on doing so much of the editing myself, but glad to have you in here. So if you could like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, get those videos once I release them. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube and you'd like to get these before they air, come to our Patreon and you can get all the early access there. So glad to have you guys in here for another day. We're going to talk about good old Ravencoin. As at the time of recording, Ravencoin is at 0.018 cents. And this was brought to me on attention on the stream earlier on. I'm actually going to double check here. We're going to see if it's on KuCoin. Not too sure if it's on there, but anyway, it was pretty interesting on what this was. I like the chart overall. So just from an investing standpoint, there's a lot of good things that kind of give it a green flag for me. Only 30% down from its ICO. It's been around for quite a bit of time. You're looking here to 2018. It had the run up during the bull run. Okay, kind of went down, matches the bull run, but there actually is activity on this project. Now, I am following it now, but it has 17,000 followers. It's got quite a bit of volume. We got 27 million volume on 241 million market cap. And there's 21 billion supply of Raven coins with 13 billion in circulation. So it's got quite a bit there, but market cap wise, it's not even in the top 100 yet. So this gives me hope, and I think this will be a good coin coming in the future with the bull run. But however, I'm not keeping it. I would not recommend it long term as of yet. So let's go into the deep dive here, and let's go and share. We're going to go over the white pages for you. As you guys know, a good white page could determine whether or not coin could be a good investment. So here we go. We're going to start with the introduction here. A blockchain is a ledger showing the quantity. They're kind of explaining blockchains, ERC tokens, Bitcoin, all that stuff, right? Background tokens, other assets, everything peer-to-peer, electronic cash system, all this stuff. So they're really just kind of explaining the token system. But what we really want to do is get down to what their goal is. Token reviews, unique tokens. Okay, so let's see. I think the stuff started here. So let's go here. Let's start with the part 3, right? Full asset-aware protocol level system. The solution is to create a Bitcoin-like system that is fully asset-aware. A system being asset-aware provides two major advantages. First, it allows the client and RPC commands to protect the asset from being destroyed accidentally. Second, it allows a single native client to issue, track, and transfer assets. And lastly, to provide security for underlying assets like the Bitcoin-like system functions only with a market value and a strong mining community with distribution. So assets are tokens that can be issued by users of Raven protocol without the need to be mined. The users of Raven protocol create these assets and stuff like that. So the assets for tokens can be used for anything the creator's imagination can conjure. The ideas presented here are gold bars, silver coins, physical euros, land deeds. So basically tokenizing real world assets and commodities, which is something that Quant is also doing now. I do think Quant can do this a little better and has a little bit bigger money behind it. But with what they're trying to do, being competition can always help too. Just remember, guys, you don't have to be the first to be the best. You just have to be the best at what you're at. So if they are providing utility and they are providing value, the market will adjust accordingly. But as you can see, you also can tokenize and NFTs in real world and linked assets to real world, like if you purchase a jersey from it, to that, right? So I don't know what inspired the name, but it is looking pretty good. So we got message stakeholders. I'm pretty sure there was a base for it, a base for staking. But let's take a look at this voting. One of the problems among many with the existing U.S. financial system is that all the shares are in street name. In this age of fast communication, that's a little concerning because it's not held in street name. All the shares of a company to buy are held by the DTTC, which is the deposits of stock certificates. So they hold those. You actually have of them, and you can request to have them milled. But most people just don't request to have their physical copy. It makes it harder if they're not in one place. But I get the premise as to what they're trying to make it an even playing field, right? In conclusion, Raven platform. So this we're not descriptive on what we have an idea of what we're trying to do, but we don't have an idea. We don't have the programming and math behind it. That's a little I should say, worrisome to me. Well, let me see if we can find who. Let's see if we can find who set up this. So it has its own wallet. I'm still not sure a little bit. Pools, updates. Let's see the updates. No, it's just things. Here, can we see here? Developers, mining pools, Medium, Facebook, Telegram. No, no, we can't. We can't see who's behind this. Like we can't definitively see who's behind Ravencoin. So, but now that is one of my red flags. Um, I don't think you can get it on any of the major wallets. But let's go back to Coinbase and see. Yeah, I don't think they have it in there, but you can get it off of KuCoin. So let's go ahead and take a look at KuCoin here. So, well, it seems to have some spiked volume in the past day. But anyway, you see, we're in a steady downturn. We are not averaging much on these trades here. But we have pretty huge buy orders, but we also have pretty huge sell orders as well. It's hard to say. It's hard to say where this one will. However, it has potential given where it is, but like I said, it seems like they're like Quant, but they offer a wallet. But they're not giving me a very descriptive way about how they're tokenizing real world assets. So I'm gonna have to say on this one, at the very least, they provided a white paper. We have Bruce Fenton and Tron Black. Would have to look those two up here because let's see here. So I usually get a picture of everything, but let's see if we can. Raven. Okay, Bruce Fenton Raven coin. Okay, not getting a lot. I don't think we even have any images on this guy. Oh, here he is. Okay. Oh, so he's on CoinDesk. That's not very helpful. Let's see. Let's go to YouTube and see if we can find. Um, let's see if we can go to YouTube. What was his name? Bruce Fenton. There he is. Oh, pop right up. Let's go here. Ravencoin. Okay, I'm going to probably mute this one, so we won't let it go here. But I need to. I'll probably put it on for a brief. So shout out to whomever I pick for this. This was 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Wow, we're not having any recent activity on this. So that's my second red flag. We're not seeing a lot of activity from the makers of this. So it might just be a
I'm here at Porkfest with Bruce Fenton, who is the founder of Capital, longtime crypto investor. Thank you so much for chatting with me.
Thank you. Good to see you.
So shout out to NBTV with Broken. So just to give a shout out there.
Chain basically is a series of blocks that are
Okay, so it's working the same as Quant. It's working the same as Quant. So in the end, I'm gonna have to say this: competition is great. It's good to have a second option, but it seems like this is heading in the opposite direction of Quant. So I like the potential that it has, but now that I looked it up and I haven't seen any activity on news or anything really. Um, let's take a look at news, see where it's at. Yeah, 2022 is the last article about him. That was it. It was about a bid to contest U.S. Senate seat in New Hampshire. That was September 2022. Yeah, that's it. So there's hardly any news on him. I'm gonna say probably hold off on this. It seems like this is gearing for a pump. So shout out to Jay for bringing this in. And a few other of our subscribers. So I hope you guys like and subscribe and give us a follow, like us on TikTok. And if you like, give us some extra support, go to Patreon, sign up for the links. I will say this though, if you want to sign up for the business consulting, send me a message about your business first before you go ahead and you put in the $100 because I don't want you to feel like you wasted it for me to come on and tell you that's not a viable business. So give me the reason if you want to participate in the business consulting. Give me a reason or give me a brief synopsis of the business. Like just DM me on Facebook or Instagram. The links are in the bottom. You can certainly do that. And just give me a little synopsis of what you're trying to do. Because I'll let you know like right away. I already know like lawn care, I can't help you out in lawn care. I get a lot of lawn care requests. It's like I can't help you out with their moving company. I can help you. Logistics, I can help you. Construction, I can kind of help you a little bit. Furniture store and retail, I can help you. Banking and lending business, I can help you. Car lot business, I can help you. But a lot of the businesses I can't. Retail, I can help you. It's the same as furniture retail, but it is. Just give it. Message me first. You can message me on Patreon too. I think you don't even have to be a member on Patreon to message me. I don't think, but give us some extra support. Join the Patreon. Really appreciate that, and also give us a like and subscribe. And I hope you like this video because there are more coming. With that guy said, I'm signing off. Thank you guys for all your support. Have a wonderful evening. We'll see you on the next live.